Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make a turkey watermelon. What do I mean by that? Actually, we're going to make the shape of a turkey out of watermelon. And it's not your average turkey watermelon. I know a lot of people on YouTube that they'll make a fruit turkey out of a fruit, but it looks like it's a live turkey. You don't eat live turkey, you kill them first. Or you buy them first, frozen, and then you unthaw it, and then you cook them.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is, I want to make it look like a turkey is laying down. It has legs and wings, and I'm gonna carve things right out inside of it, and I'm gonna put the fruit in it. So first thing first, make sure you wear your gloves when you do that.
I don't have gloves.
And all the fruits that we're going to be using is a pineapple, watermelons, honeydew, cantaloupe, sweet papaya. There's some grapes, red grapes and greens and black grapes.
I think those are purple.
Purple. They call them black though, even if they're purple. Skewers and one of these to scoop the watermelons and all that stuff. So we're gonna wash this, and we'll show you how to do it. All right. So what we're gonna find is the flat side, so I can lay him down so it doesn't really roll over. So this is like the best. This is the best part right there. That's the best side. Otherwise, I can do it right this. I don't know, either or. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So first, what we're gonna do is grab a knife, and we're gonna cut out the hole right over here, just like that, like right here. Just like that. Where's that line at? Alright, so it'd be like right here. Just like that. Connect them. Not going in the line, but that's fine. Make it up later on. By the way, this watermelon is not cheap. I mean, yeah, they're not cheap. My wife found out, it's like, man. Yeah. Now, she's the one that bought it. It's like 18 pounds or something. But it is what it is, So I'm going to get a bigger knife, and I'm just going to go chop them inside. I don't know if this is just long enough, though. Is it long enough? Yeah. All right. Long enough. If I can do that. And hopefully I don't cut myself. Yeah, get a little bit more. Like that. There we go. Look at that. Voila! Look how red this is. Yum, yum, yum. It's like seedless, too. Boy. So what we're going to do, so this is your opening. What I'm going to do is just kind of scoop them up and put them into a pan, just like this. So, I'm going to speed up the video, but so it'll be a while. So here we go. Alright, so what we're doing is like we're scooping them with this measuring cup, like this. So it's round when you, then we put them aside like that. So we're gonna mix that up. We're gonna mix that up with the rest of those fruit. So it'll be like fruit cocktail. Not a cocktail, but it's a fruits salad thingy. Alright, Toon Paul's helping me to scooping those watermelon, just like that. you know, and then make sure it's perfectly round.
It's good?
Yeah, that's good. It doesn't have to be so perfect, but it makes sure it's round. So I finally finished this. I carved them out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this for, huh?
You can almost see this color.
Yeah. So, and I still have another watermelon right here. What I'm going to do is cut those off too. This is what I'm going to make, you know, the leg and the wings.
What about the pineapple?
The pineapple, yeah, we'll skin them off and then we'll chop them into a little bit pieces so we can put it with the watermelons, the honeydew, and the cantaloupe.
I think we should make it into, we should make it into squares.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So stay tuned. This is the leftover that came from here. So what I'm gonna do is it came from here. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of carve up and mimic the wings of the turkey, and I'm going to, you know, attach them to the side. So it's gonna look like that. So I'm gonna carve them out. I marked this where I'm gonna cut it, and hopefully I can get them enough to save this for the leg. I don't think I'm gonna have enough skin, so I think I'm gonna take the leg from this part. Otherwise, I do have a cucumbers that I bought, but I'm afraid it's not gonna look the same because the cucumber's green, like solid green. So I don't know. I'm gonna go with this one for now, and I'm gonna cut it and carve them like right over here, and I'm gonna do the same at the same time. Okay, so what I did is I created like for the wing to go on the side. So what I'm doing is just attaching them now. I have one of the skewers like that, cut them off to have attached it to the side. Put them right in there, kind of hammer it a little bit, and it should be just like that. So I'm gonna do another one right here, and it should stay. A little bit bigger knife. Poke a hole in there real quick. Just need them to hold them, so that's all you need. Like that. I think it's 10. Voila! See the side of that, and it's starting to look like a turkey now, a green turkey. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, this is what I was talking about earlier. Bought two pair of cucumber thing, but I think I'm just gonna need one. I'm gonna go with this one instead of the watermelon skins. The reason being is because of the curve. I can't really get or mimic the leg of a turkey. So with this, I can cut this in half, kind of put wedges on them, and just kind of set it right over here. And then, I'll put one of those turkey leg hat thingy cover. I think I'm gonna have to make one because I went to the store and they say they don't have them. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, so we find a half. This is good right here. We'll just cut this off like that. And what I'm gonna do is put a little wedge. Set it right over there. Let's see, how's that gonna work? Soft. Like that. Looks like a turkey, eh? Need more. Careful because it's really soft to cut, so
you might stab yourself.
Might stab yourself, yeah. Just like that. Doesn't look like a turkey thing to me, but I think what I'm gonna do is put.
I don't see it.
You don't see the turkey?
Yeah, I don't see it.
Not yet. But what I'm gonna do is put this on the other side too. Just like that. Put a wedge on him. You're gonna see the turkey here pretty soon.
I don't think so.
You don't see the turkey yet?
Nope.
You'll see it. Watch.
This looks like a watermelon with some cucumbers on it.
How about now?
Huh. Nope, still don't see it.
Still don't see it?
Yeah.
So, yeah, so what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to cut this off to blend it in, and I'm going to put, something like that in there. Like that. Alright, so that's what we're going to do.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Okay, so, here, this is the best watermelon turkey I can come up with, okay? I tried to do the cucumbers on the legs, but it did not work. Just like some Paul said, it
didn't look like it.
It didn't look like a turkey. So the goal was to make the watermelons to look like a baked turkey with legs and wings and all of them, and then we'll stuff them. We'll put those little cubes of fruits.
They're spheres.
In there and along the side of the, right over here. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the honeydew, cantaloupe, sweet papaya, and
Pineapple.
the piñapo, the pineapples, and all this assorted grapes over here. Right over here.
Black grapes.
Yep, black grape,
green grapes,
red grapes.
Red grapes.
Yeah.
More red grapes.
So yeah, the plan is we'll show up at the party and say, because I was told to bring fruit. So when we show up today, we're gonna say that, hey, we brought turkey. It looks like a turkey with fruits on them. So it'll be fun. All right.
Turkey. Okay.
Pineapple. We have sweet papayas. We have watermelons. We scooped them out. We're gonna do more on those. The grapes and everything like that. So this is the finished product. Let me take this off out of here. This is all the skins and all that. Put that in there. So what we're gonna do is, you don't want to put a papaya or pineapple inside of that, or watermelon, because they get smooshy. So what we're gonna do is put this in there first, all the grapes. Back up a little bit, and put some over here, right there, honeydew. All right, so everything's in there. So we'll put a little bit of pineapple in there. So what I'm gonna do is put as much as I can in there, and then we're gonna put more right over here. So at the bottom. So yeah, so we'll see. Put a little bit of let's get this over here. Put some honeydew in there, some red grapes, some more pineapple, some more of these. Those are the watermelon, like that. And see, and also the papaya. Papaya is a little, they're tender, and they're sweet papaya, so they get a little mush or easily. So you want to put that right on top, just like that. Put some of this pineapple in there, and more of these, and more red grapes and black grapes. Forget the black grapes. Okay, so that's basically it. So what we're gonna do the same thing right in here. Put everything in there, and I think that should be the finished product. I'm gonna cover it, and then we're gonna show up and says we have turkey. That's right, we got fruit turkey. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys can do this. It's easy. It just takes preparation and
time.
Time. You know, even though this is not like really perfect, but when you bake a turkey, you know, it's not really perfect when, you know, the legs and everything like that. So the idea is to have them shape as a turkey. It's a baked turkey, not like the live turkey like they do it on YouTube. I see that on YouTube, but this is it. So, I mean, I like the idea of...
My idea.
Well, this is Tumpal's idea. That was pretty good. So, that's it, folks. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Happy Thanksgiving.